So good morning guys, we are gonna go today to Batangas Batangas Lomi and Pansiteria to buy some Lomi and Pansit, and I'm gonna give it to our birthday boy Doc Xavier Solis. So follow lang na sa iyang YouTube channel na Doki Save. So mana kasi it's his birthday, so nindot ipalit og for long life Pansit. So I'm gonna give him some Lomi og bihon, I think mix gisado sa murag bami. So let's go guys, let's drive. So narata karon sa Hernan Cortez Street. Yes, so we're just gonna drive via the highway. Diretso na padung sa Imus. Then we go to Hongkera. We'll follow it to Hongkera. So Hawan Rangdan, by the way, today is a holiday. It's National Heroes Day. So we honor our heroes who liberated the Philippines in our fight against the Spaniards, the Americans, of course, katong tanang heroes. Especially katong mga panahon lang, Rizal, of course, we remember them. Jose Rizal, mga Katipuneros, Andres Bonifacio. But we also remember the modern day heroes na para nako, like mga frontliners karon, that they're so important right now in our society. Grabe ka importante ning mga frontliners, dili ilalim ang ilang trabaho, by the way. But yeah, plus of course sa atong industry, sa mga food industry, salamat ani mga motorcycle riders, and also to mga cooks, chefs and cooks, o tanan mga waiters, tanang involved, or even the ones who grow the ingredients, kanang nagbuhig mga baboy, di ba? Because they are very much important. Their job is very important. Kaya gumawa sila, sao na lang kataron, di ba? So it's a holiday day. Thank you to all heroes. Paspas ang biyahe, pero dagan sa auto gihapon sa daan. You see that? Kamusta naman mo? Hello. Ano, nag-biker man. Ano yung mga biker ah? daan 500. Pila ba to? Pila tanan? Depan ko dia, basta. Alright. Alright. Ako mag-hazard at the rain. So mana ni? So guys, mana ni? I got mga lomi, mga bihon, and kaning mayora mana ni located ni sa Ongkira na rao kani. Mayoras. Yeah. Ara. Mayoras, authentic Batangas Lomi and Pansiteria. This is kung nanangala mo mga laming lomi ug pansit. The best ni Kamayora. So karon ato na ning hatod ang atong pang birthday sa atong amigo. Nata sa USA main guys. So padong na ta sa Orhelio by the way. And ana awa ng daan pero atong padong na ta kang Savior na balay. Mana special delivery gid ni. Kasi panagsar kausar ta mag 40 sa happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. Save 40. Life begins at 40 man ko na. So mana save life begins at 40. So inaot, yung mga 40th year will be full of love and happiness and new things. But don't forget your old friends, ha? Tama na. Bitaw guys. So, di ba? Panagsara ta mag 40, the big 40. So, manang ato ginang i-celebrate. So, mana ni ron? Padung na ta musod sa J. Alcantara Street or private. And morning atong amigo. Kanina ko mga bikers ganina nagisita ni sila sa police. I don't know basic unsa ilang excuse, but yeah, puyo sa mga biker usahay mga labang sila grupo sila. So mani ang sa vaccination site dire, that's mani ang kuana. That's UC Alcantara vaccination site. So, kita diretso ra ta padong sa girl side. Baring ka uyog-uyog. Mana dool na ta and ato na ning ihunong. Ang birthday boy na to. Happy 40th birthday.
Hey, thank you.
Just keep smiling.
Yes guys. So sorry for vlogging mo siya.
Akong gi-vlog dire padong
okay. Thank you for the pancit guys. And yeah, as a birthday gift, please do follow me in other social media, in all my social media accounts. It's Dookisave, DOOKIEXAVE. Here in YouTube, it's The Dentist is Out.
Alright, so mauna.
And continue supporting Kalami, Cebu.
Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday. Uy, happy birthday. Sige, save. So, mauna. So, we delivered our pancit. So, mauna ilang ako na. Pwede na di ko mag-delivery boy. Pero mauna, guys, yeah, we have to treat our friends well gihapon. And this time, we have, kay mauna, importante gihapon na we feel connections yet sa atong life na naghapon tayo friends, naghapon ko na we can always do that by, you know, sending small gifts like food. Pwede nyo pa-deliver, pwede ka magpa-chika siya because, you know, we have to feel kuan ba, for mental health sake, we have to feel ko ng birthday hapon na to, especially kung birthday na to, diba? Na even if di na mag-celebrate with our friends, but kinanglan na to ipa-feel sa ila tong presence gyapon as friends, diba? So mga guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you keep continue supporting. Yeah, support all of the Saya creators, mga, you know, Filipino YouTubers, diba? Tinabangay lang yun ta, and I hope to see you when everything is better. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye bye.